Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgia here from Allendale's trading floor. It is May 28th, getting closer to the end of the month, but the focus here was on planting progress that was released yesterday at 3 o'clock. Corn right now down 2 cents. Beans are up about 8 for old crop, up 3 for new crop, and then wheat falling back once again. Corn and wheat just looking bad here technically, but wheat down about 4 cents. Planting progress. We are on pace for corn. We're at 88%. 5-year average is right at 88%. But beans, a little bit ahead of pace. We knew last week was very good as far as planting progress, and 59% planted now for beans, whereas the 5-year average is at 56. So we're actually a little ahead of pace there. And then spring wheat, a little bit behind, 74%. 82 is your 5-year average. Now, a lot of guys watching the beans. Now that we've gotten this 50 to 60% planted for beans, are we going to see much like what happened with corn? Corn ended up kind of topping out, peaking, and we had seen the market back off once we got most of the crop in the ground. Are we going to see that for beans? Beans right now are still holding an uptrend. They're the last ones to hold this uptrend right now, so watch this area very closely and watch the technicals. We know that the beans fundamentally have got a sharp downside potential if we continue to see conditions and we get this crop in the ground. A lot of questions out there. How many acres are we going to plant? We tend to see an increase in acres on that June 30th report, and are we going to see that once again? Chances are very likely that we will. Weather forecast. Certainly the 1 to 5 day has got some rains, some continued off and on rains as we kind of wrap up planting here over the next few weeks. But we are going to be looking at slightly above average temps here for the next few days. But the trade is going to continue to watch these longer ranged forecasts and these weather models. So right now they've got cooler to average temps through the summer, and with about average precip. So I mean, the recipe is there for better than expected yields. So chances are that we could end up seeing that. As far as cattle, though, cattle's up 30 points right now. Box beef a little higher. Choice up 114. Select up 175. No cash trade as of yet. But the stronger box beef, maybe we can see steady to even a little better trade here this week. As far as hogs, though, we're down right now $1.32 for June's. Cutout values down 217, putting that at 112.89. Still struggling to find this bottom in here, and mostly because we've got pork production that's running above year-ago levels. Now, just think back a few months ago when everyone was thinking we were going to see tight stocks or tight supplies. We aren't seeing that. We're seeing some heavier weight showing up, keeping production still above last year's levels at this time. Are we going to see this as we go forward? Is this PED issue going to come to the forefront? And are we going to see slaughter numbers slow down? As of right now, that is not the case. That's why we continue to see these hogs back up. Looking at the stock market, up 7 points right now. Gold down $1. Silver's up about a penny, with the dollar up 12 cents. I want to bring to your guys' attention, though, today that you can go right on our website. We've got our webinar that we recorded last night. It's online for your viewing, so go take a look at that. Went through weather and the outlook, as well as looking at biofuels and how that's going to affect our grain market. But a very good webinar. Get online, check that out. You can do that right from our website. If you have any questions, you can call us at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.